Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at the 2018 Toyota Corolla SE CVT with your upgrade package. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger sedan, and the color is called Galactic Aqua Mica. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of your 17-inch alloy wheels, which come with your upgrade package. You also have your forward collision mitigation, you have your delay-off headlights, and you have heated door mirrors for those cold winter months. But there's a ton happening on the inside, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Corolla is this handy dandy key with fob. On your fob you have your lock, your unlock, your trunk release, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all four. And you can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicator. That's going to be really great if you're traveling on the highway or if you're in a lot of traffic. Just lets people know what you're about to do. So we're going to open this up, take a look at the inside. Lots of room to get in and out, really nice and spacious. You do have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Your power mirrors are situated just to the left of your steering wheel here, right next to your heated steering wheel and your windshield wiper defrost. That's going to be great for those winter months. Moving a little bit further in, you have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. Then you have this really comfortable interior with that fabric and Softex. Moving a bit further up from there, you do have your power tilt and slide sunroof for the summer months that we all know and love here in Alberta. And then moving a little bit further in, we are going to take a look at some more of the technology features. There we go. So really nice display, ambient on the eyes. I love this blue lighting. It's really not harsh when you're driving at night. Moving a bit further back, we have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control and your music selection buttons here on the left, along with your mode changer and your voice command. And then on the right-hand side, this is going to be your center information display. So this is going to give you all of your settings for your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system, your messages that your oil light and everything like that. That's where you're going to find that. And then you have your fuel range and all of your fuel economy buttons. So lots of information for you right there. Moving further down from there, you do have your lane departure alert and your dynamic radar cruise control setting button. So this is going to work with your cruise control just back here to set a distance to the vehicle ahead of you. And then your Corolla will maintain that distance by accelerating and decelerating softly. Really great safety feature if you are traveling on the highway a lot. Taking a look at the audio system now, we have everything that you're going to want in terms of music. You have your AM, FM radio, you still have your CD player and your audio input and your USB. You also have your Bluetooth there, so that's going to give you your hands-free calling as well. And then in your car button here, this is going to be, again, your trip information. It's going to give you your average speed. It's going to take a look at your fuel range, things like that, so you can take a look at your driving habits or somebody else's driving habits if you're using this for a family vehicle. Taking a look a little bit further down, we do have our temperature control with your air conditioning for the summer months, and then for the winter months below that, you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. Right next to that is your 12-volt DC plug-in, and here is where you're going to find your USB and your audio input. I'm just going to put it in reverse here so you can see that you do have your rear vision camera. There you are. Nice safety feature again for you traveling in busy parking lots or just backing out of your own driveway, making it a lot safer with eyes in the back of your head there. You do have your manual option, your manual driving option. Really fun to drive that way. And then you have your sport mode as well next to your traction control. Taking a look a little bit further back here, we do have your center console, and it's a double-decker console. Whoops, there we go. So you have a smaller section at the top and a larger section for some larger items at the bottom there. And then we have one more thing to show you. You have a nice big glove box. All of your manuals are going to be kept in there, along with anything else that you'd like to carry. And I love this blue stitching that is all throughout the interior and all over all around the seats. This blue piping adds a lot of style to the interior. Lots going on in the front of the Corolla. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Taking a look at the back of your Corolla now, some great stuff going on back here as well. You do have your rear window defrost, which is going to help in those cold winter months. You also have your rear vision camera just there, as I had talked about before, and we have a trunk release button on our fob. So we're just going to open this up here for you. We'll take a look in the cargo section. Now, just because you're driving a sedan doesn't mean you don't have anything to carry, so you have a nice amount of trunk space in here. You also have right under here your spare tire with all of the tools and jacks you're going to need. You know, gosh forbid anything happen to you while you're on the road, but if it does, you do have those tools to get you back to safety. And when you're all finished loading up your gear, we'll close this up for you and give you a nice view of the back of your Corolla. Giving you a final look then of the 2018 Toyota Corolla SE CVT with your upgrade package. There is a lot happening that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, see how you like it, ask as many questions as you'd like. We're here to help. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.